not going. You know, we just need to make a decision. I am not going to waste one more day of my life being miserable. Be happy today. You know, it puts a smile on God's face when we're happy. If you have children, you know you love to see them happy. Nobody wants to see their children miserable. And God doesn't want to see us miserable. I think one of the things that we can do for him is serve him with gladness. That's what Psalm 100 says. Serve the Lord with gladness. If you don't know what your purpose is yet, just start with, well, I'm going to serve the Lord with gladness. And he'll lead you into other good things.
Every morning when we wake up, we need to empty out anything negative from the day before. Somebody offended you at work. They didn't treat you right. It's easy to let that offense stay. It feels good to carry around a grudge, but you have to be disciplined. Say, no, I am not giving this offense any room. I am not going to let it sour my day. They hurt you once. Don't let them continue to hurt you by holding on to the offense. Being offended is not harming them, it's harming you. It's taking up space you need for the good things that move you toward your destiny. Or you wake up in the morning and thoughts of worry come. How are you going to pay your bills? What if the medical report's not good? You'll never get out of this problem. Don't allow that in. Don't make the mistake of dwelling on it. Just say, no thanks. I know God's in control. He's got me in the palm of his hand. He'll get me to where I'm supposed to be. Take inventory of what you're giving space to. Life is too short to go through it with negative things holding us down.
Enjoy your life. The one you have right now. Not the one you hope to have sometime in the future. Not, I'm going to enjoy myself when. I'll be glad when. I'll sure be glad when. I'll be glad when this is over. I'll be glad when this starts. Well, what about being glad right now? Would anybody like to enjoy this day? Or do you want to just ruin this day thinking about how you're going to be happy when? You know, when your child's 2, enjoy the 2-year-old. Don't sit around and wish they were 3. I'll be glad when the kids start to school. I'll be glad when school's out. I'm tired of driving those kids to school every day. I'll be glad when these kids get through college. I'm tired of paying those bills. I'll be glad when. I'll be glad. I'll be glad. I'll be glad. Well, each one of those things that you're going to be glad about later is something that you're missing.
Hey, I got that canceled out. Why I feel like this last made me feel like I'm just gonna tell y'all my age. My Snoop Dogg, Nate Dogg, Dre, with LA. Like an LA vibe.
with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the hit. Please let me, tell me, like me. Wait, I can take it, give a fuck about what your wife is saying. Wanna know what's like? Let's see what's like. I don't got no time. I do wanna fuck all night, yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just wanna fantasize. I got a lot of time. I never know if I couldn't have decided, yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. be together, do whatever. We said that no whatever was between us, so never leave us. That was a while ago. But now lately it feels like I feel like all we do is fight every single night. Keep big tight, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back, all the way back. Can we start again, do it over, straighten it out, work it out. 'Cause I don't wanna be without you, be without you. I don't wanna be without you, be without you. I don't wanna go without you, go without you. I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be without you, be without you. I don't wanna live without you, be without you. I don't wanna go without you, go without you. I don't wanna be alone. You realize I can't sleep without you, think without you, eat without you, speak without you, be without you. I can't breathe without you. I can't feel without you, feel without you, spin without you. Oh, what is it? Ain't this what you came to see? Let me be your muse. I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe. 50 shades and hues, tailor-made for you. Draw me in, get what started. Go with your hands, can you feel my body? Go ahead and push on me. Baby, when you want this, got it. I'll be your peace. I'll be your peace. I'll be your peace. Your head, your teeth. Study my brain. Put me on the wall.
Hey you guys, so it's late night and before I left the yard I saw the FedEx guy and I'm like, hey yo, come here. I say, is that box mine? He goes, what's your last name? Perez. He's like, yeah, here you go, sign for it, thank God. I didn't know where the hell to go. I'm like, it's for me. It's for me. I was waiting on this box. And thank you, Unice Hair. Just send me Unice. Send me some hair. So I'm excited about it. Look at the box. It's so pretty. They never sent, when I usually order, they never send me a pretty box like this. This is my first time having a pretty box. I'm trying to see how y'all, yeah, this no, but it's backwards. But yes, this is a pretty box. Okay, Unice, I see you. I see you. I see you. Y'all get it all grown. You know when you go to college, you starting off and doing, you know what I'm saying? And then when you get out of college, you start making money and start, building homes and stuff. This is what Unice is now doing. I think, I don't know, but this box is pretty. I don't know why am I slobbing. I'm sorry. But the box is pretty. Alright, let's see. I think this is either 24 or 30. I need to go check. check. I will leave the information on the link below. This is their curly. This is 100% human hair. And this is their new Bye Bye. Ooh, look at the baby hairs on here. It's supposed to be ready and go. Like you just put it on and that's it. It comes with straps. Oh, this is for extra strap. Okay. It feels soft. I bet you it feels so soft and cool. These curl patterns look like my real hair curl patterns. Yay! You guys, I can't wait to wear it tomorrow. It's so pretty. Ooh. It's so pretty. They sent me a rose. It is so pretty, you guys. It is. Oh, I got some nails. And I wanted some pink nails too. Look at it. They sent me some nails. You know, the band. And their hair cap. HD wig cap. Okay, I see that. Your feedback means the world to us. If you need any help, please contact customer service on unice.com or DM us through Facebook, IG, or TikTok. $100 plus a free wig and more. Scan and win. Wow. They give you a little card. I never received this in none of their packages. This must be a new thing they're doing. Unice, putting you first. Ever noticed that the first letter in... I can't believe they never used to do this. They're being very... This is sweet. They bring... Now they give you cards and stuff. So this is what I got. Here's a description. Is time to unbound the Bye Bye Knot wig. That's their new wig line, the Bye Bye Knot wigs, knots wigs. Basically, it's supposed, like, you don't have to do anything. It's like the Go wig that they have, Wear and Go. It's a one hair for all, a hand dyed lace, 7x5 golden ratio lace, size as zigzag pre-cut lace, glueless adhesive. glueless and adhesive. Oh, they have one. They have a location in New York, Los Angeles, and Paris. I definitely, when I go to Paris, definitely want to go see y'all. And when I go to New York, I'm trying to go to New York. This is so touching. It is. Little things like that, that's what I like. Some people be like, oh yeah, they give you clips. That's nice. You know what they're missing though? That they usually would put it in the other package. The baby hairbrush thing. That's the only thing that's missing in this package. They could have kept the bill and give me a baby brush. But it's cute though. I'm not gonna lie. The hair is nice. The hair is really nice. Oh, wait. Let me put you back on this package. Try you out tomorrow. That's what it's missing. Also the bag, the satin bag. Yep. But dinner. Y'all want to see? This is my dinner. Beans, rice, and puerco asado. I had a long day today. I got stuck, I think 2 or 3 times. I know definitely 2. In a car accident. My car. A truck flipped over. And then the other accident for sure was, the second one was a car burnt. I only saw one car though. I didn't see who hit what. Oh yeah, there was 3. Then another one. I don't know how that happened though. I be wondering sometimes these accidents, how it happened. First, you saw the car, he was like way out there, and then you keep riding, like, damn, who hit him or how he got here, you know what I'm saying? And then you roll down a little further, like a good, I say, close to a mile. You saw the other car, the one I guess who hit him. That's a damn, he must have like was driving for real. I speed driving to knock that car all the way down there. It made me have a little flashback of the accident that I had years ago. That the accident was so horrible. I almost took my life. I promise you. I'm definitely a lion, a cat. I've been in so many different accidents. It is not even funny. This is so good. Every time I come to Kansas, since I bumped into this place, I come here. It just reminds me of back home. Or when I'm home and I do this, like in the holidays. And the funny thing is, no, I'm not trying to be racist or anything. It's a white man who cooked you. I said, you learned this from a Spanish person. He laughed. I said, there's no way you could cook this. But you had to learn from some Spanish person. Because he's using Spanish seasoning and all. You could taste the mojo and the garlic. And the sour orange. It's like Mexican mixed with Cuban flavors. You know, the beans, the Mexican beans. I have a question for y'all, right? For women. So, let's say you meet a guy, right? And the guy doesn't eat pork. The guy or a girl, right? Doesn't eat pork. Yeah, in a restaurant. He ordered his chicken or beef or whatever, anything other than pork, right? And then you go and you see something interesting. I'm giving you an example. You see a good pork chop or pulled pork. You're like, damn, you know, I haven't had this in a while. Then you order it. Do you feel bad that you order pork in front of, you're about to eat pork with someone? Okay, how can I say it? Do you feel bad that you going to eat pork with some in front of this person's face, knowing that they don't eat pork? Or y'all on the phone, you guys on the phone, and and he's like, he or she tells you, hey, what you ate today? And you say, oh, I had a pulled pork sandwich. Do you feel bad? Y'all leave it in the comments. I want to know. Is anybody out there dating someone who, like for instance, a situation, dating or married, y'all have two different things. One eat pork, the other one don't. How y'all do it? The kitchen is basically divided. Tell me how you do it. How can y'all get along? See, I dated. I ain't gonna say date. We never said we dated. Or he. I wanted to date. But that's another topic. I'm trying to sit down somewhere because I need my drink. This person did not eat pork. I think this person was selective in eating pork. This is a total different person though that I'm talking about. Because I remember one time now look at here now. Stop playing with me. Alright, so, oh, that feels good. Let me get my bed ready, hold on. So we're gonna have a little night discussion. So yeah, story time. Not really, but yeah, I remember I pulled up one time with some Lindy's. If you from Tallahassee, you know what Lindy's about. I don't know if there's Lindy's anywhere else, but I know there's definitely Lindy's in Tallahassee and stuff. And I pulled up to his shop, whatever, and I love me some gizzards. And I think I had like a pork sandwich or something. I know I had something with pork. He grabbed a box and he fucked up that food. I said, hey, that's pork. But he was so hungry that he grabbed it. I'm like, what, you ain't eat all day? He was like, nah, man, I'm starving. I said, oh, okay. And then I'm like, but I thought you don't eat pork. And he just ignored the question. Like, he's like, you think I care about right now? I'm starving. But that was it. That was that one time. I don't know if he ever ate pork again. I don't know. But I remember he was adamant of eating pork, you know, and stuff. Now, I don't want to hear down in the comments people telling me pork is bad, da 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 da. There's so many shit out there that's so bad for you. I don't want to hear it. Okay? I just don't. But yeah, I had a good day today. There was a lot of accidents and traffic. So it ate up my time. But I'm only 2 hours away. So not that bad. You know? Well, I'm gonna let y'all go. Because I'm a little exhausted. I gotta get up and brush my teeth and stuff. Whew. But I'm not trying to get out this cab. It's so cold out there. Ladies, do y'all fall asleep and be holding y'all titties when y'all fall asleep? I'm just wondering, because I be doing that. I be holding my titties. You know how Ted Bundy put his hands in his pants? I put my hands inside my t-shirt and just be holding, like, I have my shirt on. Like, I be doing this. And I fall asleep like that. On my side, holding my I know this is weird. But I'm just wondering, am I the only one that do that? I'm just weird. I just realized that I do that. I've been doing this since I was a little girl. I be going like that. And it just feels warm and nice. I don't know. It's just a habit. Oh well, good night.